Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will be teaching you guys how to create a beautiful gradient in Photoshop CX6, or you can call this how to create a wallpaper, desktop wallpaper on Photoshop CX6. So let's start. Now we'll start by choosing a gradient of our choice. Now let's go to adjustment layer, click on gradient, and let's choose the gradient we are going to use for this tutorial. Let's change this white color to blue, that's a lighter blue. And I think this is okay. And after that, click OK and OK. Now this style, we are going to make this style to be radial. And after making this radial, let's make some adjustment to it. I think this is okay. Now click OK. After that, we go to rectangular marker tool and click on it. Now let's click and drag on the workspace. After that, we create a new layer so that this effect will take part on this layer instead of this down layer. Now after this, click on the brush tool. Make sure the hardness is 0 degrees. Now you increase the size a little bit. After that, we go to this color palette. We make sure we choose the color to be ash or other colors apart from black. Now I click OK. Now let's start. Let's make some markings on it. So after this, let's go to this blending mode and make it to be color dodge. Now let's deselect to see what we have made so far. Press Ctrl D. Now you see what it gave us. Now we transform this and make some adjustment to it. Now you can transform this by pressing Ctrl T as a shortcut. Now let's make some adjustment to it. Yeah. So let's right click and click on warp. Now warp will allow you to drag it to any design of your choice, to any shape of your choice. Now let's click and drag it. Now you keep on click and drag it till you get what you want. Now I think this is okay. After that, click on apply. Now let's duplicate this by pressing Ctrl J. That's we just made duplicate of it. Now press Ctrl T to transform it, and right click and click on warp to make some adjustment to it. Yeah, we just made adjustment to it. Yeah, that's giving us a nice shape. So after that, click on apply. So look at what we are going to do again. Let's go back to this rectangular marker tool, click and drag, then create a new layer for it. Now after that, you click on brush tool. Click on brush tool. Now do the same thing we did at the other layer. After that, you go to blending mode, click on color dodge. Now let's see what you have done again. Now press Ctrl T to transform it. Then guys, click on warp. Now let's do the same thing to it. Yeah, let's keep on dragging it till we get what we want. So after that, click on apply. Now it will apply. Let's press Ctrl J to duplicate it. Now press Ctrl T to transform it. Then right click and click on warp. Now let's drag it a little bit to give us a wonderful texture. I mean a wonderful shape which you are looking for. Now click on apply. That to give us something. Now after that, you can add more of designs to it, or if you like, you can leave this. You can leave it this way. Yeah. So after that, click on this again and click and drag. Now create a new layer for it. Click on brush. After that, now you need to do the same thing you did to other layers. Now make sure it's on color dodge. Now I press Ctrl D to deselect it, Ctrl T to transform it. Now right click and click on warp. Now you see it will give us another wonderful design here. Yeah. So after that, you click OK. Yeah, I think this is okay. Now let's save it. Go to save as. Now let's save it with background. Yeah, background CC. Yeah, background CC, and save it as JPG. Click on save. Click OK. Now after saving it, let's go and see what we have designed so far. That's this. Now let's set it as our wallpaper. So it gives us such a wonderful design. If you like, you can preview it. So this is what we have designed so far. I hope you like this tutorial. Please, if you do, don't forget to click the like button, and if there is anything you think you are finding it difficult in Photoshop, don't fail to comment below so that I will be able to treat it in our next tutorial. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for latest updates. Thank you.